strikes in Karnataka have agitated industry leaders. They have reportedly criticized the two bandhs that were called this week over the Kaveri water issue, one on Tuesday and one on Friday. Industry leaders reportedly claimed that strikes are not the solution and only cause significant economic losses for the state and inconvenience for the general public. According to reports, the losses estimated by the industry bodies for the two-day bandh amount to 4,000 crore rupees. The staggering loss is a warning, and industry bodies have pointed out that the move may cripple the economy, which has very recently recovered from the pandemic. Also, industry bodies said that the losses may act as a hindrance to becoming a $1 trillion economy anytime soon. President of the Karnataka Employers Association or KEA, BC Prabhakar said that bandhs hurt the livelihoods of people and that they can never be an option for any issue, sentimental or political. Prabhakar made the statement while issuing support for the motivation and sentiment behind the Kaveri issue. But he asserted that bandhs are not the solution. He said that let there be protests but not a bandh. According to Prabhakar, putting economics aside, bandhs will damage Bengaluru's and Karnataka's credibility because they will have an impact on international agreements and commitments. The 720 member companies of KEA are instructed to make a decision about closing based on the local situation because the organization has declined to take a stand on the bandh. According to the Federation of Karnataka Chambers of Commerce and Industry or FKCCI, it will take a business entity at least a week to make up for losses from just one day of the bandh. FKCCI President-elect Ramesh Chandra Lahoti said that about 80% of Bengaluru's industries have agreed to close for a day on Tuesday, that is on September 26th, in light of the Kaveri issues, origins and sentiments. But they are hesitant to close again on Friday. The Hoteliers Association, which as per reports directly or indirectly employs about 10 lakh people, projects a daily loss of 100 crore rupees from excise duties alone. President of Bengaluru Hoteliers Association PC Rao stated that while reports suggest heavier losses, revenue generation in the hotel industry is on a daily basis. He further said that other industries can resume operations the following day and make up lost revenue, but that is not an option for hoteliers. Rao also said that due to lack of clarity, the Hotel Association cannot support the bandh call.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.